Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's BJ here, and in today's video I'm going to be testing out one of my own personal trading robots, just like the last video that I posted. So if you have not watched the last video, I'm going to leave it on the screen so you can actually go and watch it, right? So I tested out my prop firm killer in the last video, and in today's video I'm going to be testing out my gold killer, right? So if you are new here, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe. So my gold killer can be easily accessed for testing. You could join my Telegram channel. The link is always in the description, or you could go into my website. Once you get into my website just like this, you see free access. You could join my Telegram channel and request a test, or you could scroll down and you see the robots right here. So you see gold killer. It works on only live markets and you can request a test. So coming into my MT5, the gold killer EA is already here. It works on the 1 minute time frame and it works on gold, and we're going to be testing it out for 1 month first. Coming into the inputs, we have take profit settings, we have stop loss settings, we have trailing stops, we have the function of the robot. These two right here are the functions of the robot. Then we have the time frame right here. It's set for 15 minutes because it's actually uses a scalping strategy, but then the logic right here uses an intraday, so the system has to be on 15-minute time frame. And then it has this logic, it has the lot sizing, then it has this particular logics too that help the robots run. So basically this system is a live account system. It doesn't have too much, it doesn't have any news check, it doesn't have anything that any prop firm could use. So it's basically just for your live accounts. So we're going to be testing this out with every tick and on a $500 account. So let's see how the results are. So as you can see, we have very steady results, lovely graph, nothing too much. You can see that we're taking losses. You can see that the chart continues going up. There's a particular consistency with this particular robot. There's risk management. There's so many things that helps this graph actually go to the upside. It's not a grid system, it's not a martingale system, and that is what is very good about this robot, and that is why we have so many users using it. There are no large spikes to the bottom, there is no risk of any drawdown. The results are just very perfect. So now let's test this robot out for 1 year and let's see how it does. So as you guys can see, it's almost invisible to see the results from about 3 months, but then as we enter into April, we start to see the graph coming in very clear. We have losses, we have so many streak of wins, which makes this robot very powerful. We have streak of wins, we take losses, then we take wins. So as you guys know, the losses makes up the charts, right? So we take losses, we have very lovely graph right here. So right now we're just going to be seeing how this robot works. Is it a martingale system? Is it a grid system? I will be showing you guys what particular logic this robot actually works on. So right here in the strategy tester, you guys can easily see that this robot has a pending order for buys and pending order for sells. So basically this robot sets pending orders at liquidity points of the market and actually waits for them to get taken out. So basically it finds liquidity. For instance, right here we have this head and shoulders right here. The robot has seen that, as you can see, and the robot has put this sell stop right here. So basically it uses liquidity points such as highs and lows, heads and shoulders, you know, whatever it to be, support and resistance, and then market takes out that liquidity. So let's see how it works. As you can see right here, we took out that sell and then it was a very nice win, right? So basically that's how the robot works, and that's what it does. As you can see right here, we took a very crazy loss, but then right here we took a very lovely win. So basically this robot is simple, it's logical, it's smart, it doesn't do anything, it doesn't, you know, place multiple orders. It's not a grid system, it's not a martingale system, it's simply just logical. So guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Please do make sure to leave a like. Even though no one actually leaves a like, no one actually subscribes, please do subscribe, please do leave a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video.